Good day, ma'am. Please introduce yourself.
I am Rowena Libuna, 40 years old, married, and I have 3 kids, and I am a secondary graduate.
If you get hard, who will take care of your children?
My husband and his family will take care of the children.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have 5 brothers and 5 sisters.
Please tell me about your working experience.
I work in Saudi Arabia as a domestic helper and taking care of the baby for 2 years from 2018 to 2020. And also in Abu Dhabi as a domestic helper and taking care of the newborn baby from 2021 and 2023. As an helper, I do cleaning, washing and ironing clothes, cooking food, and taking care of the babies.
Are you willing to sleep late at night and wake up early in the morning?
Yes, ma'am.
What if your employer is not home and the baby keep crying? What will you do?
I will cradle the baby. I will check if the baby is hungry. I will check the temperature. Maybe the baby have a fever. And I will call my employer to ask a further instruction.
Why do you want to come to Hong Kong?
I would like to come to Hong Kong to earn money for my children's studying and to support the family needs.
How about if you feel homesick? What will you do?
I will pray and I will focus on my work, ma'am.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, ma'am, I can sing a nursery song. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. My eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any food you don't eat or food allergy?
No, ma'am, I don't have a food allergy.
How long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to finish my contract, and as long as my employer want me, I will stay, ma'am.
Please describe yourself.
I am a flexible woman. I can do any task. I am a hardworking. I am a honest, trustworthy, and responsible person.
What is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, hi ma'am and sir, I hope that you choose me as your employee and a part of your family, and I will promise that to support your family and also taking care of the babies as my babies do. Thank you and God bless you, Mr.